Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about NX coordinate system and the basic tools for 2D drafting or sketch drawing. So there's three types of coordinates in this program. The first type is the absolute coordinates, and this is the program coordinates, and it is the same in every part you are going to open. It is like the zeros and the reference for the program itself, and you can never change it. The second type is the work coordinates, and this work coordinates is the one that you can change and rotate or anything, move, rotate, and or anything. So this is the work coordinate and this is the absolute coordinate, and this only indicates the orientation of the absolute coordinates. So as we said, the work coordinates we can change. We can change its position, we can change the angles. We can also create a new coordinates from here, datum CSYS. You can create a new coordinate from here, like this. Alright, let's talk about 2D drafting now. First of all, we click on Sketch, and then we pick a planar object that we want to draw on. For example, a surface, new created plane, or simply the XY plane. We also select the plane vector, whether it is positive Z or negative Z. We can change it by double-clicking this vector, and then we press OK. The command line draws a line given 2 points, of course. We press right click and then OK. And you can draw an arc giving 3 points on the arc, or by the center of the arc and 2 points on the arc, like this, this, and this, right? There's also square and circle. You can draw a circle by the center of the circle and the diameter, or by 3 points, like if there's an arc that already exists and you want to draw the circle of this arc, for example this one, and you want to draw the circle for this arc, you select 3 points on it, and then you get the circle that produced this arc. And here you have the profile command. It's pretty good because it allows you to draw continuous lines and curves like this. Then I change and then I draw some curve and then I go back to the line, for example, and it really helps. And here you have the fillet and the chamfer. The fillet allows you to create an arc instead of a sharp corner, for example like this, and you can determine the arc radius. And the chamfer allows you to create a line instead of a sharp corner. Okay. And then you have the trim. The trim allows you to delete part of the line until it meets another line. For example, if we have these two lines, this and this, and we trimmed this part, it is going to delete this part of the line until it meets the other line. And here you have quick extend, which extends a line or a curve until it meets another line. For example, if we have like this line, for example, and we want to extend it, so we press and we go to the edge, to its edge, and then we press extend, so it extends until it meets this line. For more shapes you have polygon and ellipse. Here we have to know that there are some advanced methods of drafting, and it is getting your reference from an existing object. For example, you can extract a point from the intersection of a planar object and a line from this command. It's an intersection point. Like if we have a surface somewhere and there's a line going or a curve going through it, you can select this command to get the point, the intersection point between them, and then you can use this point in your drafting. And then we have intersection curve, like in case of two surfaces or planes intersecting each other, you can have the intersection line between them. And lastly but not least, the project curve. Sometimes you have a curve drawn outside of your 2D drawing plane, but you still want to use it. So you can use this command to project the curve that you want on your sketch, and then you can use it. So for example, if we have this cone and we want to project this circle on the plane that we have been drawing on earlier, this plane. So we want to have the circle drawn right here, okay? So what we do is we double click on sketch, and then we select project curve. Then we select our curve that we want to project, and then we press OK. And then we hide by right clicking the object, and then we press hide. And there you have the circle drawn on your plane like this, and you can use it in your drawing. You can take points from it or use it as a reference, whatever. Alright, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified of the upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching.